Hi, you're here with Bayport Yachts. This is a 2003 Regal 4260 Commodore. Has twin Volvo diesel engines. Low hours, good condition. I'm going to give you a walkthrough video today. Nice size swim platform with a removable bait tank. She has rod holders on both sides. I think 4 in total. Nice camper canvas package. The canvas looks recently new. Upholstery here in the cockpit, it's all in great shape. This U-shaped sitting area drops down to make a sun lounge. You also have a large refrigerator / ice maker here in the wet bar area, and your propane barbecue grill. Got rod holders up top of the bimini. The windows forward are all the polycarbonate windows, nice and clear. Here at the helm you have Volvo digital throttles, Raymarine autopilot, Raymarine radar, as well as a Garmin GPS unit. Regal gives you the steps for the walk-through windshield for the bow access. We have 2 nice size bow pads with cover up front. Let's take a look at the condition of the steps as we walk down. You're going to see that the condition of this boat in general is in fantastic shape. The carpet's all in great shape. The upholstery is in great shape. Nice high gloss cabinetry throughout this boat. Now they've equipped it with very nice size flat screen television with surround sound. Nice size galley with the wood sole. So here you have a pocket door for privacy for your forward V-berth. Very good size, beautiful cabinetry all around. Great storage. You have a hanging closet. You have drawers beneath the bed. Also have a nice modern, good size flat screen television for the forward cabin. Very generously sized head here, with an excellent sized and separate shower from the toilet. Heading back into the aft stateroom, you have pocket sliding doors for privacy. It's a nice sitting area with your own vanity. Your own private bath here in the back. Full shower as well. And then a very nice sized mid berth here. This can be 2 singles, or now we have the filler cushion for the full berth. Additional flat screen for the mid cabin. We do have KVH satellite system that's going to run to the boat. It's going to give you all your channels with a subscription. So give us a call today. You can ask for the listing agent, Shawn Mermilliod, and you can reach me at the office, 949-631-0228. Thank you for watching.